my name is Ryan Lippe, and I'm a consumer educator with Ohio Attorney General Dave Yost's Consumer Protection Section. Just wanted to take a couple of minutes to talk about repairing a car. We do have motor vehicles as our number one complaint issue at the Ohio Attorney General's office in the Consumer Protection Section. So that means that a lot of consumers are complaining about buying new cars, buying used cars, repairing their vehicles. So it's important that before you go with a repair shop that you check their reputation out. There's the Ohio Attorney General's office, the Better Business Bureau, as well as the Ohio Board of Motor Vehicle Repair that can help you through the process of choosing the right dealership as to whether there have been a lot of complaints registered against that repair shop. Also, you certainly want to get everything in writing in terms of the repair agreement, any promises, any warranties, and you want to save copies for your records. Also, remember that if a repair is expected to cost more than $50, you can ask for and receive a written estimate. So that advice and more is available through our website at www.ohioprotects.org, or get a copy through our help center at 800-282-0515. You want to ask for the used car buyer checklist from the Ohio Attorney General's office. That covers buying used cars as well as getting them repaired. Again, I'm Ryan Lippe with the Ohio Attorney General's office. Thanks so much for watching.